Welcome to MarineMax Crosslake, where today we have a 2026 Cobalt R6 Surf for sale. This 26-foot surf boat is powered by a 6.2-liter Monsoon IO. It's got the Bravo 4 outdrive for a forward-facing drives to make it safe for surfers to enjoy their water sports behind the boat. Has 2,300 pounds of hard tank factory ballast on board and room for 14 people. This is going to be a boat that you want to hang out in all summer long with all of your buddies because it is so beautiful inside. It's great for entertaining, but you can also flip the switch and go surfing at a moment's notice. It's equipped with the Roswell bungee board racks, along with a powered surf tower that has a bimini on top, a ski pylon up high, and one that you can put towards the back for tubing and wakeboarding. We have a rear view mirror, which is legally required on a surf boat like this when you're towing and doing water sports on Minnesota lakes. We have a powered captain seat for convenience for the driver with dual Garmin touchscreen displays. There is a camera view so you can watch the surfers safely, and then you can also navigate with the other side, adjust your ballast, adjust your cruise control, and all of that right on the other screen. We also have Lenco trim tabs, so no matter where your guests are sitting on board, you don't have to ask them to move when one side gets overloaded with weight. Just flip the trim tabs down on the opposite side and then you'll be back on plane. We have so much in-floor storage. You have a hatch in the bow, a couple in the midship, and even one in the transom walkthrough back here. This has the gray non-skid flooring kit. We also have like a carbon and charcoal interior with a built-in cooler, a built-in heater. You can tuck this underneath your towel to dry off and stay warm. That also helps you extend your boating season. So if you want to go for an early morning ski or surf session, that'll keep you warmer on those chillier days. We also have a bow door. Close the windshield and stay protected from the elements in the cockpit of the boat. This boat also has a built-in head compartment here at the midship. There's a porta potty inside and a little bit of storage, so it's functional space when not in use. A couple other awesome features on this boat is the adjustable passenger backrest flip system, the adjustable rear lounger flip system, and then the aft-facing rumble seat. These make it really easy to choose your favorite spot on the boat, whether you're going to be in the sun, hidden under the bimini, nice and shaded in the cockpit, or side by side with the captain. We also have a cockpit table on board. It's finished with a beautiful tread kit to match the gunwales and the flooring. We have a hidden trash compartment underneath this seat here, along with a nice mount system for your pylon and a built-in 12-volt air compressor that has its own storage. You can take this out when you're ready to use it to fill up your inflatable stand-up paddleboard or to fill up your tubes. And of course, we have a fire extinguisher at the ready as well. This boat is equipped with JL audio. It's a beautiful audio system. These speakers are right in the mid-back, and we also have a subwoofer on board for added sound. There are USB and USB-C charging ports throughout the boat, so everybody's got a space to plug in and stay connected all day long. Last but not least, we have a spacious swim platform with a drop step, so you can have easy access in and out of the boat with just the pull of a handle. This boat is located at MarineMax in Crosslake. Come take it for a test drive. We would love to help your family find your dream boat for boating season 2026.